Hey everyone, welcome to Take Stack Hub. Today I am talking on a real Fiverr client request, but with a twist. Can GitHub Copilot build a professional business landing page for portfolio style faster and better than a human? I will show you the actual client chat, design a one-page site, and let Copilot do 100% of this coding live in VS Code. Let's see if AI can beat the freelance client. Client just send me request on I need just a single page. Can you help me with 30 USD? Okay, I reply thank you for your message. I can create a professional on-page landing page for 30. It it will very responsive and SEO friendly. Let me know if you have any style component difference. And the client again said me, are you available? I need just one page. Can you help me with 30? Okay, I reply absolutely for 30. I will design a modern mobile friendly landing page with a contact form, basic SEO setup, and fast delivery. Normally, I did custom code everything, but today I will only use GitHub Copilot for the all the coding. No Google, no tech. Normally, I did custom code everything, but today I will only use GitHub Copilot for the all coding. No Google, no Stack Overflow, just your AI tab programming. Okay, start our project. Project setup. Open VS Code, create a folder for your project name. I'm in VS Code with Copilot enabled. You can see in the right side. I'll create a basic project structure, index.html, style.css, and app.js. My goal. We made this note up in previous videos. If you haven't seen that video, please check out this link. I will provide you link. Just go and check it this out. Our goal is clean a hero section about business info, service or portfolio area, contact form, fully responsive, SEO basics. Let's go to our business code. Okay, let's fix our JS file name. Now I will write a form to the Copilot to create a responsive business landing page with a hero section about service, portfolio, and contact form. Make it modern. I provide the prompt in the description. Please check it out and copy paste your prompt here and select here agent mode and select your AI model. I will use ChatGPT 4.1. Then just press enter. Accept quirks and regenerate as needed. Nice Copilot added a clean hero. For a few seconds, Copilot started working on this template and our index partition is created. And we can see many of item on our nav bar about section, services, portfolio, contract. Okay, I think our researches is also written and we do not use Copilot did not use any this now. Just click on it. Let's start this. Show on right click and click on go to your index.html file and click on this and select on so preview. Let's close this sidebar and also make it bigger and you can copy this link and open your browser and paste this URL and hit enter. You can see a design a beautiful page, but we need to make some update on this page. Let's command to Copilot Uh, it's not looking more than on professional. It's not look good and it's not looking modern and professional. Let's give him some time to update. As you can see, we try to clean hero section about business info section, services portfolio area, contact from and other things. We have also added price network and contact some were disappointed at this time. Um, because like this design at all, it's not modern. You know, I think I need to be write code again and let's check out the result and the reviews. This page looking modern, notes are clean, but I use but it takes a lot of time from me. And I think this is not the attempt to complete 100% of your task with AI. It's giving you a pretty good designs, but you need to be use a lot of time on these prompts. And I am not I am not disappointed, but I am not getting this. I was thinking that it can made a something. I was think it can be made some more beautiful, more customized, but it's not called like that. Let's make another project in our next video. It is very disappointing that we didn't complete this project with AI. But in the next one, we'll learn something more about this. Until then, just keep happy with yourself. Okay, we will try again in next video with some suggestions, design suggestions and other things with AI. Until then, I will see you in the next one.